In this video, I'll be setting up the Elitehood 81-inch tall tripod that's used with smartphones or any devices that are about the size of a smartphone. So it was nice that they included this case, and I found out that everything fits nicely in the bag without too much effort. So I'm going to empty the bag first by dumping everything out. There we go. Alright, I already had a look at the instructions, so hopefully this will go smoothly. Alright, so first thing, you want to put this sort of like upside down. It looks upside down, but really is not, because the legs will fold the other way. So first you want to loosen this this screw just by spinning this counterclockwise. Then you let the legs fall out like that. Then there's this part here, you pull it up. Pull it up as much as you need. If you need a wider support, you can push it down. Then you lock it into place by tightening the screw that you previously loosened. So I have it on a pretty wide stance. Next, you can so this is, I guess, one of the lowest heights you can set it on. There's a little screw on the top of this that if you have a camera or a light, light device, you can spin it on here and then just use it like that to hold your camera or light. Whatever has a little screw on the bottom, you can spin it on there and then use it like that. But I will be using it with the gooseneck, so first I'm gonna just raise that one, the pull, and lock that into place. Yeah, it has these latches that let you unlatch it pretty easily. Then you just raise the pull as much as you need to, and then you just relatch it. So I like that design. It makes it really easy to raise the pull level, and you don't have to pull it all the way out. You can pull it out only as much as you need to. Yeah, so it goes up to 81 inches. I don't need it that tall, and I think if I made it that tall right now, I wouldn't be able to reach it. So I'm gonna just put on the gooseneck now. You want to loosen this this screw here, and so that it doesn't stop this the top from going into this hole. So there's the top of it, and then this hole just goes over top like that, and then you just tighten the screw like that, and that's it. And you can just bend the gooseneck as far down as you want. Just for example, I would just put it at about a right angle. Then you have this device holder, which has a screw on the bottom, a screw hole, and that just goes onto this screw that's on the end of the gooseneck. It screws on pretty easily. There, so it's tight. And yeah, I bought this model, or this tripod, because I saw that it had this adjustable neck, where if you loosen the screw on this side, you can once you get your device in here, you can adjust it to other angles that without needing to move the gooseneck. I think there's other tripods out there where it just has a gooseneck. I didn't see that it had this adjustable piece here. So this can go all the way up or down, or you can move it around. And then once you get it in the right position, you just tighten the screw, and then it can hold your phone in that position for you, like that. Like that's a really odd position, right? So I was thinking I can show you how the phone fits in there. Oh, I don't have another phone, but I'm thinking I can put my phone case in there, because I tried it earlier and the phone case fits nicely in there. So that means I won't have to remove my phone from the case to put it into the bracket. I had to stop the video for a bit just so I can get the phone case off. And so here's the phone case. It can sit right inside of the device bracket, and then you just tighten it by screwing this screw. I loosened it a lot because I wanted to see how big it goes. So I gotta tighten it a lot to get it back to the holding position. There, see, my phone would just sit in here and I can point it whichever way I needed. Point it down to film something down there, or point it up. Let's see, let me loosen this. Oh. Right, it was kind of swiveling because the screw wasn't tight. Then you can just adjust it however you need. Yeah, so that's how that works. And I found out the remote is for taking pictures. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth, so I'll do that next. Okay, I'm going to try to walk through the Bluetooth connection to the remote. So I'm in here and I go to connections and I go to, okay, then I turn on the remote. So the blue light's flashing now, and according to the instructions, it says to look for AB shutter 3. There it is. AB shutter 3. It says pair with AB shutter 3. Okay. So I'm going to try to take a picture. Start up the app. So here's the remote I just paired it with. Let's see if it takes a picture. Oh, it did. It took a picture. Here, let's see if I add the flash, then you can see it in the when I press the button. Oh, so I pressed the iOS button even though I have a Samsung phone. Maybe it doesn't matter which button you press. There. Okay, that one I pressed the Android one. This one I'm pressing the iOS button. So it seems like it doesn't matter which button you use. Both buttons will tell your phone to take a picture. And I didn't have to download any extra app for it. I just connected to the remote via Bluetooth, and when you turn on your Bluetooth and you turn on the remote, you just connect to this AB shutter 3 according to the instructions. And that's it. You'll be ready to go. I guess if you were doing a video and you wanted to control when the video started, then you would, let's see, you would just change the camera to video, and then use the button to start the video. Yeah, that worked. Thinking I can dismantle it now. Just unspin this, and pretty much do everything in reverse order. So, whoop, I should have been more careful there, it just dropped. Okay, I'm gonna bend the goose head straight back up, that way it can go into the bag more easily. Loosen this screw, pull it up, and it just comes right off. And for the tripod, it comes up pretty easily too. You just loosen the screw, and then you push this down, so then the legs will come up. So I'm just grabbing one leg and pushing it up. You just grab the legs and push them together like this. Then I still didn't move this from the device holder, so I'm just gonna unscrew this a little bit, just enough so my phone case can come loose. Then you can just leave it like that, fold up the instructions, get the remote. I guess you don't have to put it back into the bag. You can just shove everything back into the carry case. I'm going to do this with one hand here, so bear with me. There. Use my knee to brace it. Alright, so it is going in really fast forward later. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I got the tripod in. Next, you can slip in the goose neck. It goes in. Yeah, the good thing is they made the bag like big enough so you don't struggle shoving in these extra pieces. Instructions can go in, the extra battery can go in, and the remote. Yeah, make sure you turn off the remote so it doesn't run out of batteries. I think it's still on, so you just push it down. There. Yeah, so it's off. Make sure you push it down so it goes off, and then you pull this tight, the rope, and just move this thing as close to the bag as possible to hold it closed, and there, you're ready to go. So that wasn't too bad. I did it all with one hand, I'm sure. If you did it with two hands, it would be a lot quicker. So check out my other videos, and yeah, please subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and smash the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.